Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Rhombus double 6 grits in the hard bond. This is a great tool if you're leveling off concrete, more on the softer side. If you need an aggressive profile for products like concrete overlays or heavy build coatings, this is the product for you. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our American-made Fast Prep 2020 hybrid grinder. It's a hybrid because it's a sander, polisher, burnisher, all in one. This machine gets close to the edge. It's a variable speed machine with speeds up to over 4,000 RPM. You're doing general prep per hour, probably around 1,500 square feet. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 10 seg 30 grit grinding discs in medium bond. This is a long life disc. It's under a penny a square foot. All the edges are rounded, so it goes over lippage nicely, leaves a nice uniform scratch pattern, no rogue scratches. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, one of our top sellers, the premium full bar shredders. This is a titanium metal alloy tool meant for coating removal versus a PCD. PCDs you have to follow with like a 25 grit, maybe a 30 grit to remove scratches. Well, this tool will eliminate that, giving you a very uniform scratch pattern. Great life. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Chem 1000, which is a fast set, high solids, UV resistant polyaspartic coating made by Chemtech. This product is great for interior and exterior jobs. It's very impact resistant, very durable, and was specially designed so it makes sure there's no bubbling. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have one of our top sellers. It's the Phantom Polishing Pad. This is a 3-inch 76mm resin concrete pad that works on both concrete and natural stone. It's really good on heavy machines, plus on lightweight machines. Works wet and dry. Message me now.